Hi Ram, it's Rub-Bada cooking today and I'm going to make chickpea curry. So I have already boiled chickpeas in the morning and you can either get from the can and strain the liquid and get it like that, or you can boil it. So I have boiled enough and kept in the freezer. So now I'm going to, as usual, boil a little bit of oil, heat it up. When it gets heated up, you can add a little bit of mustard seeds, just a little bit. I put about half a teaspoon because I'm used to measure by hand. It's about half a teaspoon. And I got a sweet tooth and I'm going to add a little bit sugar and let it caramelize. So it gets caramelized, and add a little bit of roasted chili powder. It depends on the quantity. If you want it quite hot, you can add more, but I put half a teaspoon. And then add onions, green chili, and chili pieces, big pieces, and 2 pieces of cardamom as well. So we are cooking outside today, and the blowing is not really bad, and it's not cooking fast enough. Yeah. So let it boil. And I add a little bit of Moroccan chili paste. It gives the color and the taste. Yeah. See how beautiful it is. So I put about half a teaspoon. And turmeric. So when the onions are done, add the chickpea, and mix it well. Because since it's already boiled, you don't have to cook a lot. And now you can add a little bit of curry powder. This is homemade curry powder, roasted curry powder. If you want the dark color, you put roasted one. If not, you put the normal curry powder. These are both homemade. And I'm going to add a little bit of this one, the roasted one. About half a teaspoon would be enough for that quantity. And you have to add salt. Most of the curries I add salt lastly, but for chickpeas it should absorb the salt, so I put a little about that much. And mix well. And I forgot to add curry leaves. Curry leaves come like this. You can just scrape it and put a little just to get the flavor. And then this Indian tomato paste has got all the Indian spices as well. So I add that. It's about half a cup is enough. And to get the sour taste, I usually put a little bit of yogurt. Today I am adding about 1.5 teaspoons. And usually the yogurt gets curdled up if you don't mix well. So mix thoroughly well and add coconut milk. That's about half a cup would be enough. So that's it. So let it absorb all the spices into that and simmer a little bit. And you have to make sure that you cover it and keep for about 5 minutes and it's done. Thank you. Enjoy. I'll show you. This is how the final chickpea curry should look like. And I have scattered a little bit of spring onions just to give the color and have a good appetite. Enjoy.